Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. I'm gonna try Emma's 2 ingredients homemade donuts. I will leave a link to the original video in my description box. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try these out because while you're at home and the kids are not going to school, my daughter said she wants some donuts. I didn't have any self-rising flour, but I made my own. All right, so what I did, I put 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and every cup of flour you need a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, and you need 1/4 teaspoon salt. If you go to the store, you're gonna buy self-rising flour, and this is what you're gonna get. So self-rising flour plus I'm gonna put 1 cup of yogurt, any plain yogurt of your choice. This is about 1 1/4 cups, and we're gonna mix this. This should work now, guys. With her ingredients, guys, she put it in a piping bag and then she squeezed it in the oil. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll them myself. I'm gonna sprinkle some flour, not too much, okay guys, and then I'm gonna take out my mixture. You don't want to make it too hard now, all right? You still want to keep the moisture in it, and I'm gonna knead it a little bit. You see how fluffy and nice? Roll it like this. Make sure you dust the surface, and you want to keep it as soft and moist as possible. All right, you know how Jamaican make dumplings, right? So we're gonna break a little piece like so. Just want to rub it, make a circle in the palm of your hand. All right, and if it's too loose, just put a little flour and roll it. All right, I have my deep fryer, and I have mine about at 320. Here goes, guys. We want to take our time and drop them in. It's like frying Jamaican dumpling. I'm gonna do some fried dumplings in this one for you guys with similar ingredients. All right, and soon as they're golden brown, guys, they're good to come out. These can come out now, guys. These are golden brown, and this is how you want them. All right, so we're gonna put them over here to drain. Look how round they are. Yay! And we're gonna take out this set. These are done, guys. You see how golden brown? All right, guys, look at that goodness. Focus. I'm gonna do the rest of them like this, and then I'll come back. Basically, guys, they just look like Jamaican fried dumpling. We're gonna make the glaze for the donut. Squeeze just like a smidge, like 1/4 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of milk. And guys, if it's too watery, just go ahead and add more icing and sugar, and if it's too thick, go ahead and add more milk. All right, and you want to give this a mix. Make sure you mix out everything, no lumps. Go ahead and take some donut, and you just want to rub it in. Guys, they look just like Jamaican dumplings. Oh my goodness. Because this is where you're gonna get the sweetness from the glaze. All right, guys. and you want to continue to do the rest like that. The next one I'm gonna make is some coconut glazed donut. All right, so I made the plain, I'm making the glaze, and then I'm gonna dip it in the coconut, some shredded coconut I have over here, guys. All right, how good is that? With the rest of the glaze, I'm gonna put 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and that's how I'm gonna make my chocolate. We're just gonna dip them in, and you wanna coat it in it, guys. All right, and you want to drain them off. Glazed coconut, look at it, guys. If you love coconut, you will love this. And that's my regular, just the regular glaze, and that's the chocolate. I find the chocolate one takes a longer time to dry. I don't know, or maybe I put too much chocolate, but that's it, guys. That's the final result. Looks like Jamaican fried dumpling, guys. All right, taste. How is it? It's good. Sunny say it's good.